Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Today, somebody asked me a pretty good question. If we grab both these objects with the pick tool, it says right down here, 2 objects on layer 1. But they wanted to know when they grab the shape tool, why are some of the nodes or the lines blue and some of them are red? Well, it's just telling you that it is 2 different objects. And if you select them all, it'll tell you right there, 2 objects. The best way to do that, if you wanted to have them all the same color and it doesn't really matter, is to take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And what that does, that makes one object out of both those. And now, if we go to the shape tool, they're both blue. They're still, now you see it says a curve of 8 nodes on 2 subpaths. So it doesn't matter how many items you have on your page. I need to convert these to a curve so the nodes will show up. If I select them and then hit the shape tool, now only one of them is blue. It's just not going to do multiple colors, but it's just letting you know. You'll find this a lot when you're working with nodes with text in the inside curve. So to get it all one object, and that's not what they're actually trying to do. They're just curious why they were different colors. And now you look, it's changed. That's blue. But you can see down here is 4 objects selected. So if we take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, if we left click, right click, shape tool, now they're all blue. Anyway, I hope that answered their question and thank you for watching.